Hey guys, back to my video. Today we are going to be doing the craziest thing. It's almost going to be my dad's birthday, so we really want to make him a cake. And here is the items to make the beautiful adventurous cake. So we're going to make the vanilla
We're going to spray the pan first with olive oil so that the cake doesn't stick.
Yep. Okay guys, so we're right now
we got all the ingredients. The cake mix is in the bowl.
Yep, and we have all the ingredients.
And we have a cup of water, which Miss Addie's going to add to the bowl.
Yeah. We're going to do the wet ingredients in this here. So we're right now doing the vanilla cake, huh?
Yeah.
And we put this in that?
And 1/4 cup of oil, which Addie's going to pour in.
I'm going to do all the other ingredients, and Grammy's just going to do that.
And 3 egg whites. So I'm separating the eggs. See how you do that, Addie?
Yep.
You just take the yolk from one to the other, and that separates the white. And there's the egg whites, so put the egg whites in.
Okay. Ooh, I almost dropped it in there. It'll be like a roll kind of cake.
We have to put our mixer on low until it gets incorporated, and then beat it on medium for 2 minutes.
Yep.
Okay?
Oh my gosh, guys, this is so long.
Do you want to put the batter into the pan?
Yep. Okay, guys.
Be really careful.
This is really heavy. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this, but here we go.
And Addie, does your daddy know anything about the fact that you're making him a cake?
Nope.
So this is a surprise for him?
Yep. This is a really big surprise.
Awesome. Okay. So Miss Addie has got the cake all mixed, and it's in the pan over there. And we have preheat the oven to 350 degrees.
Yeah.
So we're going to put it in the oven, and we're going to bake it for about 25 minutes. And then we're going to test it with a toothpick to see if it's done.
Guys, remember that cupcake thing and we just put the toothpick in? It's going to be like we're making cupcakes, but it isn't. We're making a big cake, and it's going to be a real big surprise for my daddy.
We'll come back and we'll show you the cake when it's all baked.
Yep.
Gonna put the toothpick in the middle of the cake and draw it back out and see if it comes out clean.
Okay, guys.
In the middle where it's the thickest. And then pull it back out. And is it clean?
Yep.
Then that means the cake is done.
Yay!
Yay! So now we have to let it cool. And then tell them about the frosting we're going to use, Addie.
Okay, so what was it called again, Grammy?
Funfetti.
Funfetti. And guys, you guys know where the sprinkles are? Guys, comment down below if you guys see the sprinkles. I'm just going to show you guys right now. Guys, pause this video, see where the sprinkles are. Guys, do you guys hear them? But where do you think they are? Guys, I'm going to show you guys right in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the top! They're at the very at the top. And it's frosting, but it even comes with the sprinkles. And we don't even have to get the sprinkles. It don't take so long. So we can just add this in here and just, do this. But guys, we have to do this in the morning.
Yeah, because the cake has to be very cool.
Yeah, not like kind of cold, cold. So we're
Okay,
gonna see you guys tomorrow. Okay, guys, so it's literally the next day, and we're literally having the icing. And you guys probably already know the sprinkles are at the top, and it has something. So now I was scared that I couldn't remember this, and I thought that it was just gonna splatter all around the place because I thought this wasn't here. That was just the floor. And then once you took it off, I was like, "Where's the sprinkles? Did the sprinkles just fall out?" But I saw them, and I was like, "What?" And then I looked under, and there was something under there. So that was weird, but. Now it's time to put the icing in. Yep. And I'm not going to tell you what else we're going to do, guys. Okay. It looks pretty much.
So, she's licking the spoon.
Yep.
Because the frosting is so good.
If you guys want to lick it, guys, come and subscribe. And then one day, I'll let you guys come here.
Spread that all around.
Okay. And I'll lick the knife too. I'm just kidding. I mean, I can.
Okay, now she's licking the knife. She loves the frosting.
I love the frosting. I love vanilla.
Now, she's got it all spread on the cake
And now we're gonna rake it.
to make it a little bit fancy for her
see,
daddy.
this is the fancy side, but this is just like the shark side.
Okay.
But he actually is the shark, so do you guys think we should do this side? Guys, comment down below if you guys think we should do the princess side or the shark side. Ooh. Guys, I'm gonna do the shark side because it kind of looks pretty crazy. Okay, maybe we can change it like in the middle to the fancy side. That would be kind of cool.
Now, guys,
The sprinkle time.
the sprinkles.
And then, guys, after this one, we're gonna do theirs. So it's gonna be really pretty. Okay.
Make it pretty for your daddy.
They're really pretty. Pretty. Okay, so now let's use theirs.
Sprinkles.
So we're gonna add more.
So, as you can see, she made this beautiful cake for her daddy's birthday. And she's going to surprise him today with it.
We're gonna put this cake in the fridge for a little bit. I love you. My brother loves you, and you guys we all love you. You guys are my bestest fans ever. You guys are the bestest. You always subscribe to my channels, and see you guys maybe later.